There are trade-offs among elements of the key equation. This is because that one element is dependent on the other element in the key equation. For the four factor in the key equation, breeders need to really understand the relationship between the element. For the first one, accuracy versus generation interval. So you know that generation interval it is the time required for one generation to be replaced with the next generation. So in a species that have short generation interval, so they will have low data, just few data because they can only use few times because of short generation interval, and because of that they have the accuracy to select this animal based on the data uh, is is also low. So in the simple word, low generation interval means that short duration that we can use the animal means that not many time we use that in the they are selected in the breeding program. So because of that they have low data, and because of low data we cannot accurately predict the animal in terms of their performance. The second one is accuracy versus intensity. This means that if the breeder is already can accurately select the animal, so they actually don't need to really choose the animal because they have the best. They can predict the best and select the best animal in the flock. So if they choose any animal among these best animal, means that they can select anybody in that group to be used in the breeding program. So they don't need to intensely choose because you know that the group is already the best that you can get in the population. For the intensity versus generation interval, in the case of high generation interval, so this means that you need to intensely choose the animal. Key equation is very important to help farmers in the breeding program because with this formula, breeders can actually compare between selection strategies, and they can use that to test on the effectiveness of each of the selection method, and also farmers can decide which selection strategies that you want to follow, so you can choose the best one applied in your flock.